In normal cases, our body drains to circulatory system approximately 1 gallon of lymphatic fluid. Manual acceleration of lymph drainage can raise 20 times this amount to drain to circulatory system, and this means significant detoxification. During my presentation, I will try to provide you with details on lymphatic drainage. Natural lymph drainage happens, and especially fighting the gravity, is at the time when we're moving, we're constricting muscles and lymphatic vessels located between muscles, and this kind of natural pump help to accelerate and to fight gravity and to accelerate proceeding of lymph drainage to the circulatory system. The second factor is at the time when we inhale, the diaphragm muscles constricting and contributing to negative status of intrapleural pressure, and this is significant support at this time. Left thoracic duct and right thoracic duct, which is conversion of lymphatic vessels, can release big amount of lymphatic fluid to the circulatory system. Given to the fact that we know nature of lymphatic circulation, we will use this kind of effects, and we will manually accelerate the amount of lymphatic fluid drained to the circulatory system. Mainly, lymph drained to circulatory system through left thoracic duct. From right thoracic duct, the lymph drained from right extremities and half of the face and head, but most of the lymphatic fluid will be drained through left thoracic duct. Now, when we inhale, you see our rib cage expand and exhale. At the time of expansion of our rib cage, diaphragm muscles is constricting, and in this case, at the time of inhale, the negativity of intrapleural pressure dropping significant, and this like a fast, open fast, and allowed to big amount of fluid to be drained to circulatory system. Now, giving to the fact, we will utilize this fact to contribute additional to intrapleural negativity. By placing on the sternum our hands at the time of inhale and exhale, as you can see, I follow the rib cage, and at the time of inhale second, do the inhale please, I resist and exhale, and inhale. You see, I resist the expansion of rib cage, means the diaphragm muscles have to work harder to constrict more, and degree of constriction of diaphragm muscles reflecting straight to negativity of intrapleural conditions. And therefore, inhale, exhale, inhale, and I a little bit resist and exhale. At the time of exhale, I just follow ribcage, and again, inhale and exhale. Inhale. As you can see, I don't press on sternum. What I'm doing, I try to just to resist the expansion. The next step, what we will do, approximately we will put our hand on the area of left thoracic duct, and in this case with exhale, inhale, and with exhale, we're pumping a little frequent, in and exhale, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. It's real pumping. I just, for better understanding, put only one hand. Usually we put both hands and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And actually, where is the navel? We're putting like this, fist on the top of the navel. And inhale and exhale. As you see, we're creating pumping and nothing else, like pumping. And this kind of innocent pumping help tremendously to increase amount Today is April 24th, 2009. 2 weeks ago we finished shooting video on negative effects of overuse of computers on human body. Of course, I spoke on two main contributors to negative, to debilitation of high-tech life on style on our health. And I defined it as stress, one of the main causes, and posture. And I just don't want too much to repeat myself, but I spoke on necessity to sit right, one of the very important aspects to sit right on front of the computer is to allow diaphragm muscles to be engaged in inhalation, rib cage lifting, because this secondary cause negative intrapleural drop of pressure, and secondary to negative intrapleural pressure lymphatic fluid drained into the circulatory system. And main duty of lymphatic drainage or lymphatic system, I shall say, is detoxification, disposal of waste metabolic toxin products. There is a very important point that I brought to you, that accumulation of these toxins in body, decreasing power, sometimes shutting pretty significant immune response, means we have acquired these antibodies, this immune response, but virus, microorganism, other bacteria will attack us, and we will, and our immune system will not defend. Today we all witnesses and experiencing by ourselves the anxiety regarding swine flu. It is terrible, and I can assure you that many of us, if not millions of us, acquired immune response to strain N1 and H1 virus. This time, this swine virus is kind of mutated, that combine human virus, bird virus, swine virus, and very possible that a lot of us acquired, was exposed to this virus in kind of not to the sickness, or maybe a bit, maybe it was combination of few viruses, because flu during our lifetime most of us experiencing, and sometimes kind of often because of different flu attacking us, different strain, mutations of the same strain.